Namaste yogis, welcome to day 3 of happiness series, and today we'll do some yoga for full body toning. Yes, so hop onto your mat and let's get started. Let's begin with the head up and down first. Let's open up our body a little bit. Inhale, take your head up. Exhale, take your head down. Keep moving your head up and down. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Let's change left to right. So it's a short flow where you can actually tone up your body with some asanas and with 2 blocks. You can also get 2 blocks for yourself. Let's change ear to the shoulder. And let's change. Let's relax. Let's come back to the center. Let's take our right hand away from the body. Left hand bicep touching your ear. Inhale, come back. As you exhale, let's go on to the other side. Take your right hand up, bicep touching your ear. Stretch your right side. Feel the stretch. Take long 3 deep breaths. You can even count, you can hold. Just try and sync your body with your breath. Let's go right to left. Let's relax. Let's twist our body. Let's turn towards our right side. You can hold your right knee with your left hand and twist and look back over your right shoulder. Let's hold. Let's take 3 long deep breaths. With every exhalation, try and twist more. Let's inhale. Let's come back to the center. Let's go towards the other side. You can hold your left knee with your right hand. Your left hand goes back. Twist your body. Look back. Take long 3 to 4 deep breaths. With every exhalation, you can twist more. And let's inhale. Let's gently come back. And let's bend forward. Let's go forward. Inhale, slowly come back up and you may relax. Now you can take a block for yourself. Let's open up our legs. You can open up your legs. Take your block in front. Let's go back and up, back and up. Let's begin with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and let's relax. Let's go right to left. Let's go back and forth. You can do 5 on each side or 10. Let's change. Let's do it for the other side. And let's relax. Very good for your core and your arms. Yeah. Okay, so now let's take the both the blocks. Yes, you can place both the blocks right in front. You can do the same flow without the blocks also. While you can do this exercise with your hands, and if you want, you can remove the blocks. You can do the same series. You can do the same flow without the blocks also. In case you have the block, you can do it with the blocks also. We're just trying to improvise. Yeah. Let's come into the cat and cow. Again, your shoulders are right above your wrist. Your buttocks are right above your knees. Let's begin with the cat and cow first. Inhale, go up. As you exhale, go in, look towards your thighs. Let's do cat and cow. Let's do a couple of rounds. And let's relax. Let's take our legs back. Let's go forward. Let's gently come back up. Let's take a right leg back. Let's take our right leg back and forth, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's change. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's come back. Let's move our blocks a little bit forward and let's go back into the mountain. You can also do it without the blocks, but let's just try with the blocks also. Let's come back to the palm plank. Let's look forward and let's hold. Let's take 3 to 4 long deep breaths. Now from here itself, place your left foot down. Let's go into the mountain. Let's take our right leg up. Bring your knee to the chest and place it forward. Take your back leg more back. Let's hold here. Let's take 3 to 4 long deep breaths. Straighten up the legs, straighten up the knee, try and go down towards the knee. Again, let's go forward. Let's go back to the palm plank. Again, the Falakasana. Take 5 or 3 to 4 also. As much as you want, you can hold. And let's go back. This time let's take our left leg back. Let's take our knee forward. Let's place our leg between our palms, between our blocks. Let's look forward, back knee tight, back straight, both the hands on the blocks. Look forward. Take 3 to 4 long deep breaths. If you want to hold a little bit more, you can hold. Now straighten up both the knees. You can place your back foot down. Now drop your head down on the knee. Inhale, take your head up. Again, let's come to the Falakasana, the palm plank. Let's go down into Chaturanga. Upward facing dog pose. Again to the mountain. Again pump plank. Again Chaturanga. Upward facing dog pose. Again mountain. Let's hold in pump plank. And let's relax. You can relax your blocks. Let's keep our hands here, right on our knees, and let's roll our shoulders back. Keep moving your shoulders back. Just relax your hands, relax your shoulders. You can come back to your normal breath. If you're panting or if you're out of breath, you can come back to your normal breath. Let's change. Let's roll our shoulders forward. And let's relax. Again, let's twist towards the right side. Let's look back over our right shoulder. Inhale, come back. Let's twist towards the left side now. Look back over your left shoulder. Let's inhale, let's come back to the center. Let's gently close our eyes, hands on your knees in Mahamudra. Gently close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, inhale, take a long deep breath in. As you exhale, relax your shoulders, your arms, and relax the entire body. With every breath, you're relaxing more and more. Just feel the breath going in and out. Loka samastha sukhino bhavantu. Loka samastha sukhino bhavantu. Loka samastha sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's take a normal long deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly becoming aware of your body and surroundings. Whenever you feel whole and complete, you may slowly and gently open your eyes. So, I hope you like this short flow where you can actually tone up your body. Yeah, this was day 3, and thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining. And you can like and subscribe this video. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and share to our video, and we'll see you tomorrow on day 4. We'll practice together. Yes, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Namaste.